Hello again, YouTube world. Today we have a Subway sandwich. Um, I got the steak bacon melts. So, first off, obviously, it has steak and bacon, and I also added some lettuce and tomatoes and a drink. Always got to get a drink. I like lemonade. That's what I got. Oh, it looks like it has some barbecue sauce too. So, we have some steak, lettuce, cheese, American cheese, tomatoes. Okay. Oh, and it's on Italian bread. Um, let's get on to it then. A lot of really good flavors in the first bite. The steak and the bacon, probably the best part, because who doesn't love bacon, right? Um, and the lettuce, I have to say, was a pretty good choice. I didn't really get the tomatoes yet, but I would say that it would still be a good combination. And the cheese really melted well. And even though I'm Asian, I put on American cheese, but still pretty good. Good job for Americans. um, and yeah, the barbecue sauce is always good. But yeah, um, I like it. So Subway sandwich, um, steak and bacon melts, and yeah, you should try it out. On my rating scale, I would say 8 out of 10 pinheads. It's good enough, right? So yeah, I'll put the all the like the calorie counts and all the stuff made for the sandwich, basically like calories and all that, down here. Um, yeah. So the next time I will try a barbecue sandwich, which will be up and running next week. So I hope you stay tuned until then. Uh, this has been Teen Food Reviews. I always forget to say that in the beginning. Anyway, Teen Food Reviews. I'll see you next week, and yeah.